Hey everyone, I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com. In this video, I'm going over a wheel and tire setup with an 18 by 9 inch wheel and negative 12 millimeter offset, along with a 33 by 11.5 inch tire on a 2015 through 2020 F150, equipped with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit. Now with this offset, your tires will extend from the wheel well on your truck. In this video, I plan on going over the clearance with these wheels and tires, your offset and stance, and then finally, what to expect when driving with this setup. The combination of an 18 by 9 inch wheel and a 33 by 11.5 inch tire is a very popular setup with F150 owners who have installed leveling kits on their truck and want to run slightly taller and wider tires in stock, as you guys can see from these pictures provided by fellow F150 owners. Now this setup will fit any 2015 through 2020 F150 with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit without needing to do any modifications. Driving wise, you can expect to have no rubbing issues whatsoever, as those tires will be free from contact with the front bumper or any of your suspension components. This wheel and tire setup with a negative 12 millimeter offset is designed to give your F150 an aggressive stance. Now you can see how these tires are sitting out from the wheel well as opposed to an OE stance where those tires are a little bit more tucked into the wheel well. That extension from the wheel well is commonly referred to as poke, which is exactly how it sounds. The more negative the offset, the more this tire will poke from the wheel well of your truck. A few things to keep in mind here when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33. When driving the ride, might feel a little bit more sluggish with those 33s compared to your stock tires. At 60 miles an hour, your speedometer will also read about 1 to 2 miles an hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to the bigger tires. Not a huge deal, of course, and most F-150 owners just keep that in mind when driving. Now you can correct this if you'd like with a flash cow or tuning device for your truck, both of which can be found here on the site. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set of wheels and tires from us here at American Trucks, we make it very easy for you to get these on your rig. On our wheel and tire package pages, we do have setups that you can choose to have mounted and balanced and shipped directly to your door. You can also choose to have your TPMS sensors installed and pick up a TPMS transmitter tool to easily calibrate those sensors in your tires. Now, if you didn't know, TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitoring System, and it does alert you whenever your tire pressure is low. If your truck's stock tires came equipped with TPMS sensors from the factory, well then, you will need to pick a set of these up with your new wheels and tires, otherwise you might see a warning light on your dash. Then at that point, just use that sync tool to easily calibrate and sync these sensors with your F-150. Now to ensure proper installation of your new wheels, we do strongly recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 14 mil by 1.5 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most of your aftermarket wheels, and again, you can find those here, of course, on the site. Then at that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your truck in no time. We do also recommend getting an alignment for your F-150 after your new wheels and tires have been installed. As always, guys, if you have any questions about this particular setup for your F-150, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of an 18 by 9 inch wheel with a negative 12 millimeter offset and 33 by 11.5 inch tires on an F-150 with a 1.5 inch to 3 inch leveling kit is very popular with the 15 through 20 owners who want to run a bigger tire in an aggressive stance with that tire poke from the wheel well on your truck. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and installs right here at AmericanTrucks.com.